Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Harshil and today I'm going to tell you how to make a very nice word document about COVID-19. You can write on any topic. My topic is COVID-19. And so guys, let's get started. The first thing to do is open Microsoft Word and open a blank document. I've copied something on my clipboard. This is all. I will remove all the editing. Oh, wait. Fine. Let me do this to no color too. White. Black, right. It's fine. I will remove this too. This also. Now, okay, I have removed everything. It's okay, let it be there in the comment. I will tell you how to add in comment too. Okay, the first thing which is you have to do is get all this text in the middle, simple middle, not even left, not even right. So to do that, I will do justify. Yep, now it's fine. Now first I will move this in the center, coronavirus, and here I will bold it and change the text style to Arial, and I will change the size. This is font, not size. Underline this, and if you want to do double underline, I have a shortcut which is Control Shift D. It will be double underlined, as you can see. Now let us increase this size to the text size. I will bold all these. I will increase the size to 20, and I will highlight some words. Like I will highlight this. I will highlight this, and it's fine, looking nice now. Now what we have to do is come to page layout. Sorry, where was it? I just forgot it. I don't really. Yeah. I remember. It's design. Come to design and do page color. I will set the page color to something. The title. I will change it to yellow. No, not yellow. This color is fine. I will add some page borders. I will set some width, set some art. I will like to set the art yep, this one. Okay, and here we go. Now I want some themes. I will choose this theme. Now it's fine. Now I'll change the color of the text because that's not visible clearly. I will set it to red, which is this. No. I will set it to something color like this, and then I'm going to highlight this to not yellow, something else. Highlightation complete. Now I'll set some word art for this text, looking better. Now I will press to enter and move this to middle, center, and then I am going to do write for Hindi readers. Fine, I will select this text, go to review, come to translate, selected text. I will do to insert and I will move this to center. I will increase the size to 20. I will change the format. Yes. And I'm going to paste the same thing over here. I'm going to select this text, paste, now I'm going to come to review, and then I'm going to come back to translate selected text. It's searching for the text. Now the MS Word is not responding. Let us wait for it to respond. And here we got it. And now I'm going to do insert, and it has been changed. Now what I'm going to do is add enter. Enters over here too. I'm going to bold this text and I will set some color, and I'm going to highlight this. Fine. I'm going to select this, do format painter, and add some format painting. So here I'm going to select this nice format painter, and I'm going to select all this text, and here we go, and I will close this. Now let's get a synonym of this bear. I've selected this. To do that, come to review and thesaurus, and then I got some synonyms. This is an antonym, which is and here they are synonyms for all the words, and there's an antonym. Now I will set some nice synonym, and which is this is fine. Oops. I want synonym of bear. Oops. Bear, fine. I'll click on this arrow, insert, and this is the text. I will select this and highlight this text. I will go to review, new comment. I will type the comment which was the as bear. I will close this. Now there are comments on two things. Now as you can see the text, this is looking great. Let me zoom in. And I think it's looking nice, and it may be looking nice to you too. Now there are lots of options here. Now if I want to add some online pictures, I will get the cursor over here or somewhere else. I will go to the illustration group. Here type COVID-19. I will add this pic. This one, it's looking great. Now it's downloading the file and it got it over here. I will set some nice format. This is looking fine. Picture border, no outline. Get this outline back. And I will move this. To move that anywhere, I will come over here, click on this. I will get through. And now here I can move it anywhere where I want. Now it's looking great, and the main thing which is important, to save it, or all your editing will be lost. Now to do that, click on file, and yeah, I wanted to tell you, if you want to protect a document, click on file, come to info, protect document, encrypt with password. I will enter the password. I've entered a password. Now I'm going to re-enter the password. Done. Now I'm going to save it. Browse. I will save it on my desktop. Fine. And if I come back to my desktop, the file has appeared. If I double click on it, now the password which I set, I have to enter it, and here I got it. And so guys, for now, thanks for watching.